Alright, in this video, I'll be explaining you the procedure in drawing a plan using AutoCAD. Alright, the first thing what we would like to have is, I'm not explaining the procedure in how to draw the plan. You might have already learned how to draw a plan, but here, I'll tell you. To draw the plan simply by tracing a simple image from here. Alright, okay, so you know what where drawing in plan will be cutting the building right from the sea level. Then we'll be looking to the bottom part. We'll be seeing up all these things here. Obviously there are some things above the line which will be drawn in the dotted line here. Alright, the first thing, we like to pick up the bottom left corner of the building simply by using construction line. I'll be picking up the horizontal line and I'll be picking up the vertical line, as this particular node indicate the bottom left corner. Next, what we want to do here is, I like to turn on dynamic input simply by pressing F12. If I hit F12, it will be turned on. Simply you can test it by typing here. Everything, if the dynamic input is on, will be appearing right near to your mouse tooltip here. Alright, in here I like to offset this asset by the horizontal distance in X dimensions here. Alright, okay, for that offset, the common distance is 20. Click on the line and you'll be picking up side for offsetting. Okay. Alright, oh my god, I'm having an image right here, the same thing. Let's go to some other space. Okay, Excel. Alright, then I'll like to offset the asset 400. Alright, okay, so 400. Click on this line and type 400. Right, offset. Then you need to click up the line and you type 400, which is the horizontal dimension of this room. Then we'll be having the wall thickness. Click 20. Then when having 400 again, click show the direction 400, then wall thickness. We have in a small room here which is size is 260, I think. Well, click show direction 260. Okay, then wall thickness. So all these horizontal partitions are clear. Then I like to have the vertical partition, which one is first is 500. Exit from construction line. Then okay, then I like to click on the vertical line. 20 is the wall thickness. Then I'm having 500. Click show the direction 500. Then we'll be having the wall thickness. We'll be having some sort of rooms right here, which comes to be 300 distance from the base. Click show direction 300. Wall thickness is there. Alright, okay, so all these rooms are almost clear. Then I'll like to just get rid of this thing. Then I can trim using fence option. Alright, looks so cool. Then by analyzing the figure, there is no horizontal room right here, so you can trim. Either you can pick up these 2 points and hit the enter key, then you can trim. That's the first method. Or it's not compulsory to pick up the boundary. You can trim like this. Analyze the figure. There is no room here. Okay. Then everything else is compulsory rooms. Okay, right, then I don't want to have these sort of assets here, so then I like to trim. Okay, again, click up these 2 corners. Obviously you might think, what's wrong with fillet with radius 0? First line here, second line here, as that case is difficult to achieve right onto this sort of corners, so we can go for trim. Trim dominates. Alright, here. Okay. I can go for a fence. Click, and click, enter. Click and click, enter. Alright, fence. It's up to your chance of click. Make sure that you're not messing up with anything other than these required lines. Okay. You see that is holy shit. My god, I don't know what had happened here. Alright, it doesn't matter. Maybe I did something wrong. Alright, that looks so cool. All these rooms look so cool. Now next we have the opening for door. The sort of door is kind of D1 here. I can draw a line here. Okay, then I can offset it. D1 shall be, I don't remember the specification as per the table. D1 is 90. Alright, then let's look into it. Offset for 90. Then okay, keep it right here. I have a door here. Then we got the same door right into this space. Line, I can draw the door, offset the same distance as 90. Then I'm having the D2 here, D2 maybe 80. Let's draw a line here, offset at 80. I can have the another door here, offset for 80. Right, having the other door. Okay, I'm not explaining the steps for each and every door. Just follow the same procedure. Finally, I can trim this asset. Alright, it looks so great. Then we'll be having windows like W1. Let's look into the size of window as 90. Okay, then let's draw the window here. As the spacing from the wall is not given here, I can draw a line. Having length shall be 90. Okay, then I can complete the door. Okay, this is just like drawing up normal asset. You can convert right this into block. I'm not explaining that. Alright, this is the same step you can adopt for windows. Then we will have the sort of sunshade here. For the sunshade, I'm assuming that the sunshade will be right here, and the horizontal distance from the window that shall be maybe 10 centimeter. Then the other projection from the other side of the window will be the same distance, 10. Next sort of projection is 10. Then the total length of the window, I think it is 90, I don't remember. You can first, before drawing a line, I can change the line type. I can load the sort of a dashed line type here, then set the line type to current. Using line, the horizontal distance shall be 20. I can go for tracking first point, and they can be 20 here. Double enter. Then the line goes to 60 as a sort of vertical projection, 60. Then again, it's hard for me to calculate. If it's so hard to calculate, is go for apostrophe calculator. The distance shall be apostrophe calculator. You can go for a calculator. 20 plus 90 plus 20. Alright, okay, so that had reached here. Okay, this is a step on drawing the sunshade here. Same procedure can be applied to draw the other sunshades. Alright, get into hatch, and I'll be picking up all the sort of internal points here. Alright, looks so great. Then hit the enter key. Let's get into the preview. As you might feel that this one is a kind of a solid pattern, really doesn't matter. Enter. Then let's select the pattern. Using the grip, I can change the scale. Just turn off ortho. You can really see that the pattern is really getting, based on this method, approximate scale, I'll be providing up 60. Alright, if you feel that it's so congested, I'm sorry, don't stretch it. Using this grip, I can have maybe 80, I don't know. Again, scale, it could be like maybe 200. I don't know. There's no sort of algorithm for finding out the scale. So finally, the scale hatch pattern is also okay. Then we'll be having a sort of text here. Right, for inserting text, I'll be preferring a single line text. Justify. From the figure, it's clear that justification is a middle or center. Okay, then I'll be picking up height for the text. Then rotation angle. I can say dining room, D-I-N, dining room. And the size shall be 400 x 300 or 500. It will be 500. Alright, okay. Size is so great, you can scale it. Okay. Alright, pick it here. Scale it again. Alright, okay. Alright, that's how you'll be placing up all sort of text here. So that's all over. There is nothing more that we can provide in the plan. Alright, as a final brush up part, you have to draw a planed line here, which will be 10 centimeter from the surface of the wall, which pass throughout the building. Okay, you can move these stairs right to the bottom part of here, planed. Okay, then we'll be drawing up everything in corresponding layers. You can change up the color. I'm not really interested in that. Okay, draw every like properties in each layer. So if you don't want to see the dimension or text here, so I can turn it off. I can turn off the layer, okay, which will increase the visibility of the drawing. So it's a better philosophy to draw each and every objects in corresponding layers. Alright, finally, I can change up the colors and everything. I'm not really getting into the minor details. Finally,